another video. In this video, we'll show you how to create badges for events from Salesforce dynamically and check-in using Tyson. Really exciting video because it will automate badge creation from Salesforce for you today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some badges, and the way I'm going to do them is I have this hospital here called United States Hospital, and they've got 6 contacts, and all 6 of them are visiting the hospital soon. So I need to be able to create some badges and also scan them in. So how do I do that? Well, you start off here in the Word document. What you're going to do is you're going to insert a section, and this section is going to be from my object contact. And then you want to check multi-column and auto page break, because what this will do, it will split the badges per page and also make a multi-column. And then click insert. Once you've done that, go ahead and create, enough gap to fit all the details in. For me, this will do. And then what I'm going to do in the layout is I'm going to come out of this and I'm going to say, you know what, I want 3 columns. And then you can specify, obviously, if you want the line in the columns. I certainly do, so I'm going to check it. And yeah, and then we'll do OK here. Then I'll go ahead and start to insert my data. So first thing I'm going to do is insert my image, which is going to be my logo. So let's go ahead and get a logo. Cool, this is my logo. I'm going to go ahead and make this tiny. I think this much will do. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert some fields. Now the first one is going to be the face of the person. So I've got a few contacts. So let's take Jeremy Smith here. You can see he's got an image here, and I'm going to use that to bring into the badge itself. So we will go back to insert field, and then I will grab the rich text field, configure the format, parse a Salesforce image, and I'll say I want this to be 80 by 80. And then we will apply that, insert it. Okay, that one's in there, and then I will just say image. So now this is all good, and now what I want to do is insert contact's full name. So let's move this up a bit, and we'll work with this space here. Alright, next one is contact full name. Let's insert that, and then I'm going to insert their country, which is going to be the mailing country from my address, like that. And then finally, what I will do is I want their subscription number. So they all have a subscription number here, Titan subscription number, so I do want that as well. So for that, what I'll do is I'll insert a shape like this, and within that shape I will say entry number, and then within that entry number I will insert the field Titan subscription number, like that. It's going to be pretty big, but I'll make it short like this. And also I want to be able to give the change of the text there. So this can be Arial, it can be 8, nice and simple. And then the shape, actually we'll format the shape so the line transparency is there, and so is the back. Cool, happy with that for now. Just move it up a little bit. Cool. And now I also want to format this too, so this will be Arial, but Arial bold, And this will be Arial also, but it'll be Arial narrow. And then also this will be about 10. Okay, so I think I've got most of my stuff set up, and then the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a QR code so we can scan them in. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a QR code. So it's going to be a QR code, and object is going to be contact, size is going to be 80, and then what we'll do is we'll bring a field in there which is their Form Titan's subscription number, like that. Okay, and then we'll insert that QR code in there. Alright, so let's just have a quick look. So what we'll do is we will go to the layout. We've specified that, hey, we want 3. Now let's go and see the preview. So what I'll say is the account ID equals my account United States Hospital. We'll paste that, and then we'll bring the 50. So let's see how this looks like. Alright, not bad. It's actually come out really, really nicely. So there it is. These are the badges. Looks pretty good. Just need to make a minor adjustment here, but that's fine. Yeah, looks overall very, very, very good. So this is how the badges can come out. You can split them out in the rows, and yeah, they look really, really nice. And you can really fully customize them to whatever you want, really. It's up to you. So without further ado, what I'll do is I'll just move this down a little bit, and then we'll do a final run. Yeah, a little bit up. Okay, that's fine. I can deal with that. So look, this is how the badges come out. As I said, come out really, really nicely. Data's coming from Salesforce. These are all the contacts to that account, all 6 of them. So here they are, all 6 with their own images coming directly into the document as badge. And now you can print them, cut them out, and hand them out to the relevant person as they come in. Now, this is amazing because now you've got the badges printed on batch, but can you also check them in? The answer is absolutely yes. Let's say, for example, I take a screenshot of Mr. Smith here. Okay, and let's say he's come into the hospital now, and I'm going to scan him in. Now, I've preset a form here where we give you the ability to scan using your phone or even, upload directly. So the screenshot I've just taken, here it is, and it's going to go ahead and scan it. Look, this is the value, and as this is the value, we've brought back Jeremy Smith, right? Now let's go into Jeremy Smith quickly because I want to show you something. So this is Jeremy Smith here, and you can see his entry status is blank at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll say, you know what, I've seen Jeremy, I've scanned him in, I'm going to check him in. Now, once Jeremy's checked in, look what happens if I refresh this. I want you to focus on the entry status field here. You can see the entry status is now checked in, and the entry status is green. Now we know that Jeremy's checked in, and we can do all of that with Titan. You can literally go from getting your badges, scanning them in, scanning them from Salesforce, getting your badges from Salesforce, and that's what the secret sauce with Titan looks like, where you can print badges in a batch and then cut them out and then hand them out. The secret is create your section. Once your section is created, then go ahead and simply make sure that you've got multi-column and auto page break checked. I will do a further video explaining both of these in details and why you need to check both of them. And once you've done that, go ahead and set it up just like I have, and you're good to go. And that's Salesforce badge creation from Titan.